forgot. I called a shot.
So this is my first impressions unboxing review on the Coach Cassie 19 crossbody bag. Let's start off by showing what comes in the box. This is an envelope, which looks like it has the receipt inside. And then here is the bag in a Coach dust bag. I was looking for a new everyday type of bag, and I saw this one online and decided to pick it up. Some straps on here. Are they connected? No, okay. So let's just take this strap off. Oh no, I can't, okay. So here is the bag. It's a little smaller than what I expected. However, it is nice. It's pebbled leather, which I do like. It has a slip pocket in the back. Let me take all of this packaging off and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after I took all the packaging off, this is the bag. I actually really like it. It's very nice and it's a very good everyday bag also. We'll see how good it is once I put all my stuff in it that I usually carry on a daily basis, and then that will truly determine how good the bag is. First off, like I said, it's pebbled leather. It has a turn lock closure here with the Coach symbol, the C. It has a leather Coach tag here. This is a 4-inch drop shoulder, not shoulder, 4-inch drop handle that is detachable. You can take this off. Then it also comes with this strap, this leather strap, which is like a crossbody or shoulder bag. And I'll put that on so you can see how that looks. And you just take it here and it swivels and just attach it right here and attach the other side right here. So now it is a longer bag that you can put on your shoulder, and you can actually take off this strap if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it on for right now. Like I was saying before, it has a slip pocket in the back, which is nice and convenient if you wanted to put something that's that you need quick access to, like maybe your cell phone or a Metro card, something like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the front right here and flip that up. The inside is a fabric, and it's like a nice like burgundy or dark purple fabric, and it has like just the Coach print on the inside there. Let's take out all the paper, the packaging, so we can see the inside. And what I do love about this bag is it comes with 3 straps. So you have the top handle, then you have like a crossbody shoulder strap, and then if you want to get a little fancier, you have this gold chain strap. So let me take the packaging off of this and show you what that looks like. So here is the chain strap. This is a 6-inch drop detachable chain strap, and it is metal, so it has weight to it, which is good. I like. I have another bag of theirs that came with a leather and chain strap, and that one I was expecting it to be metal and it wasn't. It was plastic, so I was a little disappointed in that bag, but I like that this has a chain strap. So I'm gonna just put it on so you can see what it looks like. So if you want to go out for the evening, I feel like this, or just to, not even the evening, but if you just want to jazz up your look, you can wear this one and you can still put it
on your shoulder there. So this is also a very nice option, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to take it off because this is a little noisy. See? Yeah. However, it does look very nice on the bag. And the good thing about these is that since all of the straps are detachable, you can literally wear this bag in so many different ways and you really can't go wrong. Okay, so let's go back into the inside of the purse. So when you open it, it has that fabric lining. It has 3 pockets here. There's a front pocket here, a middle bigger pocket here, and then a smaller slip pocket in the back. And in the big pocket in the middle, it has a zipper that you can put some little things in right there. What's in there now? Oh, a little Coach card. So it does have a lot of pockets to work with. Now, let's see if it fits all my daily essentials. So for the past few days, I've been just using this Adidas like crossbody fanny pack bum bag, you know, it has many different names. So I am going to take the contents out of this, put them in this, and let's see if everything that I normally would carry fits into the Coach Cassie 19. Some chapstick. So let's just put that in the main compartment. I have a lotion that's kind of empty. I have my AirPods, putting that in here. Some hair ties. A piece of tissue. I'm not gonna worry about that. Okay, let me try to see if I can do this the easier way. So now let's go back into the inside. I'm gonna open the main compartment on this bag. And I have here my wallet. So we're gonna stick that in the main compartment. Just move some things around. My hand sanitizer. We're gonna put that in the front compartment. Some gum, because we always wanna have some fresh breath. I'm gonna put that in the front compartment here. Metro card in here. Let's put that in the front compartment. Charger for my iPhone. I'm gonna put that in the back compartment, back here. Of course, my light. I call this my food light. I have 2 Instagram accounts. One of them is a food page. If you want to follow me there, please subscribe, Marissa.eats, or please follow rather. So this is my food light that I carry with me. So let's close that. I'm gonna put this in the main compartment. Let's just move that. Okay. Then of course, we have to carry around a reusable bag. So this is my reusable bag that I have. I'm going shopping. I don't really know if this one is going to fit, but let's see. I'd have to fold it up a couple of times. Okay, we'll come back to this. There's a bunch of receipts, tissue paper in here. Okay, let's do some feminine items. We're gonna put that in the zipper compartment. So that's there. And everything else in here is just junk. Tissues and receipts. So we don't need that. There's a hair tie, but I already have some in there. And that completes this bag. So let me take this off. So I actually have everything in here. I'll just show you how it looks. Everything I would normally carry.
So I have hand sanitizer, gum, wallet, my food light, some feminine products in the zipper part, my charger for my phone, and we're gonna close it. Let's see how it closes. Everything closes, and it's actually not that heavy. One more thing that I want to put in here is, oh, I didn't mention my keys. I don't have my keys in the other bag right now, but my key is just literally a fob, so that can easily just slip in there. So that's like, that takes up zero space. But my phone, let me see, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the big boy phone. Let me see if it fits in the slip pocket in the back. Let's see. Yeah, survey says it does not. Let me try. Okay, wait, hold on. If you can squeeze it in there, but you're gonna risk stretching out that back slip pocket, and you probably might need to take out some stuff in the front. And then not only that, if you want this as easy access, I wouldn't suggest putting a bigger phone in here, because you're gonna be struggling with like trying to put it in and out, especially if you want to put it sideways. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. If you want to put it like this, you can do that with no problem. The only issue I have with that is now your phone is sticking up and it just looks like a target for someone to just walk past you and just try to pull your phone out of your bag. So I wouldn't suggest that. I would most likely just put your phone somewhere else, like if you have a deep pocket, or maybe in the front, in one of these pockets here. That can work. Yeah, you can just put it in one of the big compartments there, close the bag, and you're all good to go. And it doesn't even look like it's bulging out or anything. I really like this, so kudos on this size. Now, the only thing I did not get to put in here is my reusable bag. So either I can get a different kind that folds up really, really small and put it in here, or just carry this in my hand when I'm going grocery shopping. That's all. But other than that, I like it. I like that it comes with 3 straps, so you can change it up, change your look. This is a great everyday bag. The only one thing that I would prefer, and this is just my personal preference, I would prefer that it had silver hardware as opposed to gold, because I'm more of a silver girl than a gold girl. So that's the only thing that I would wish was different on this. But anyway, overall, I give the bag a 10. I really like it. It fits all my essentials, and that light is not like a necessity, so I could take that out and fit something else in there. But I do carry it just in case I go somewhere and the lighting is not so good. But yeah. So that's my thoughts and first impressions on the Coach Cassie 19. If you want to see more pictures with this bag, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is RissaM5. That's my main page. And if you want to see some food content, follow me on Rissa.eats. I'll put all the links in the description bar, and leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this bag. Let me know if you already have it, if you plan on getting it, and what you think about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.